Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my Dollar Tree part 2 haul. I have the bag right here. It's definitely bigger than part 1, so if you haven't seen that one, it's going to be linked down below. I believe I also have a Dollar Tree haul. Everything's going to be in the description box, so definitely check that out. Let's just get into it. If you want to see what I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. So if you didn't watch part 1, I actually have a TikTok and I post everything that I pick up in the moment, so they already saw all of this. So if you want to follow me on my TikTok so you can see the first look at everything that I purchased from Dollar Tree, literally been doing a lot of hauls on there. Definitely check that out. My link to my TikTok is down below, but I did already post this haul on there. So I picked up a bunch of their lip balms. So I picked up the first one here, and this is from Lucky Charms. This brand is General Mills, and this is their flavored lip balm. Again, this one here is in Lucky Charms. How cute is that? We have the one in Trix, this Airheads lip balm in Grape. Next we have this Mountain Dew lip balm. How cute is that? And then we have Cocoa Puffs. Again, the brand is General Mills, and they have their flavored lip balms at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and open them all. All right, so there's a close-up look at the Trix lip balm, Airheads, Mountain Dew, Cocoa Puffs, and Lucky Charms. So if you follow me here on YouTube, you guys know how much I love lip balms. I'm actually going to do a full lip balm collection and up close look at all my lip balms that I have, because I own so many. I love lip balms because my lips are super dry, so I really love trying out different ones, so I cannot wait to try these out. Let's take a look at this Lucky Charms one. It is a pinky or red kind of color. It smells really good. Not sure that I would say this is a Lucky Charms kind of scent. I would say if I had to compare it to Lucky Charms, it kind of smells like the marshmallows. Smells good. Cannot wait to try all the other ones. This one's one I already opened. This is the Stitch Lip Balm. Just wanted to give it a try on my TikTok. This is so cool. So it comes with a little Stitch imprint in it, as you can see. If you follow me on TikTok and my Instagram as well, I post a lot of reels, and this one actually comes in a bunch of Mandalorian type styles, and they also did have a pink one, I believe, in the Stitch. So this is really interesting. So I saw it in the line when I was about to check out, and I just had to have it. I thought this was so interesting. You do flip it, and that's how the lip balm looks. I think this is so cool. It doesn't really have any scent to it, but I cannot wait to try it on the lips. It looks really interesting, and it's definitely something different. So I thought, why not? Let's pick it up and see. Let's get into the makeup-y kind of products. So first off, I did pick up this sponge. Now the thing with this is it's cute. It did come in a couple other boxes and different little animals and colors and stuff. Now the thing is, the sponge is just a normal sponge. It's just cut, a certain way. And the only thing that makes it cute is the actual box, which I'm gonna toss after this. So that's really sad, but why not? I'm gonna try it out for a Dollar Tree haul. This is their blender sponge, and it comes with a little, what is that, a panda? It says I love bears on it. So cute. I think I'm just gonna keep it in the little box for my Dollar Tree video, full face, and then we'll try it out then. But this is basically, let me give it an open so you guys can see. It's just a normal sponge, has a cut to it. It feels a little rough, to be honest, but cannot wait to try it out in that full face of Dollar Tree. Another one I couldn't resist on opening and swatching in my TikTok was the LA Colors Matte Lips Lipstick. This one here is in the shade BFF. This is such a stunning color. I own a black lipstick that I used recently in my TikTok for Halloween, using some new LA Colors makeup that they actually sent my way, which is really sweet of them. So the black one is really nice, super pigmented, and I wanted to try another one. So this one here again is in the shade BFF. So stunning. There is BFF Swatched. How beautiful is that color? Such a beautiful formula as well. It's like a creamy kind of vibe. It has a little bit of a sheen to it, but it doesn't move around. It's a really interesting formula. Cannot wait to try this out on the lip. This is actually a repurchase, and this is a Be Pure Infused Press Face Powder. I actually own this already. I use it so much. I already hit pan on it. I actually showed it to the people on TikTok, so I'll just have a little screen recording of what that looks like now. But this is the Noon Improved one. It does come with a darker kind of green letters compared to the last one that I have, and it's just so cute. It's actually really nice. It is a transparent kind of powder. It's a really nice product, so I thought, why not? Let's repurchase. Now getting into the more skincare products, I purchased a bunch of their new line from Bolero. The first one here is their Soothing Clay Face Mask in the pink pineapple and grapefruit scent. Looks really intriguing. Next we have their night cream. This is their soothing night cream in pink pineapple and grapefruit scent as well. I believe this is just a hydrating kind of vibe, almost like a moisturizer. And then I purchased a cleanser. So this is a Bolero hydrating foaming cleanser in hibiscus flower and coconut. I love the packaging. Cannot wait to try this out. So they had a bunch of other stuff in this line. They also had a bunch of micellar waters. So the first one is their hydrating micellar cleansing water, and we also have their soothing micellar cleansing water in pink pineapple and grapefruit. So basically they had two different scents, and I just went ahead and purchased both. They also added some under eye masks in the same line, which look like that. They have these in the orange kind of packaging, also part of their pink pineapple and grapefruit collection. And I also went ahead and picked up the hibiscus flower and coconut scent as well, so I picked up two of those. And lastly, from that skincare kind of collection, this is also from Bolero, and this is their soothing and cleansing facial wipes in the pink grapefruit and pink pineapple and grapefruit scent. This is just their cleansing wipes. So if you guys saw part 1 of my Dollar Tree haul, you guys saw that I purchased two different sticker kind of books. I was gonna say skincare for some reason, but sticker books. So I picked up another one. This one's just so cute, so I had to. So now I own 3, and this one has little llamas on it. It's so adorable. How cute are those llamas? Lastly, we have a couple of hand sanitizer. You guys know how much I love these. I keep these in my car on separate sides for the passengers, and then one for me. So this is what I love buying. This is just our hand sanitizer, antibacterial hand gel. This one here is in coconut lime, and then we have the pink one in the pomegranate and vanilla scent. So there's a close-up look at those hand sanitizers. I'm telling you, I love these. I always mention them in my empties videos because I use these so often and I go through them really quickly. So these are the last products we have to talk about, and we made it to the end. We made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have both my Instagram and my TikTok on the screen. Please go follow me on both. I post a lot of different content on each of them, and I've been very active on TikTok as of lately, so go ahead and follow me there if you can. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.